This is a 2020 3LT Z51 Coupe in the Long Beach Red Metallic. Hello everybody, once again, I am Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas. I've got another one-year color special here to present to you today. This is a 2020 3LT Z51 Coupe in the Long Beach Red Metallic. Long Beach Red, of course, debuted in the 2016 model year of the C7 and would carry through to 2020 before being replaced by the Red Mist Metallic in 2021, making this a one-year color for the C8 generation. And check that out. It has a aftermarket ACS front splitter and side skirts. It has the Stingray R appearance package, which you can see right up front here. We've got the Carbon Flash center stripe there with the Jake logo and Corvette Racing nomenclature on it. And then when you come down, the previous owner had PPF the entire front, and then we've got this really beautiful Jake embossed logo here added to the front license plate cover. So again, the whole front's PPF'd, including the headlights. And then it gets even better. We got a beautiful set of chrome Callaway wheels. Now, of course, Callaway has been a famous name of Corvette for a very long time. The Callaway family, you know, going all the way back to the 80s. Of course, the infamous Sledgehammer. And the same family, of course, for those of you that don't know, they own Callaway's Nursery and, of course, Callaway Golf Clubs. These wheels are very high-end. The whole set of four is $9,000. So, very nice set of wheels. We've got the black J55 Brembo brakes there. Then we go to more ACS composite work here. We got their Carbon Flash painted mudguards and the 1BM side skirt. More of the Stingray R appearance package here. You can see with that badge. And there is some PPF here. The inlet here does have some PPF on it as well. He did also, yes, he did do the mirrors too, front of the mirror spoke and the mirror itself. Make our way to the back. You see we got our Carbon Flash rear Z51 spoiler here with the ACS wickers installed as well. And then we've got a rear diffuser add-on here added. Not sure of the brand. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research at that at time of filming. But again, it's got the stock diffuser with these add-on pieces as well. Makes it more aggressive looking. And of course, the stock NPP multi-mode exhaust. Also, I will note, this is, I believe, is also an ACS piece. This is like I want to call it, it's like a deck lid glass flare. You see it comes right here. Kind of goes right at the edge of the lip. Again, more for aggressive looks. But again, it is Carbon Flash painted, so it matches up real nicely. Wait till you see this engine bay. The previous owner went all out on this one. Look at this engine bay. This is a perfect example of when you take your car and you say, okay, I'm going to do this. So this Stingray right off the bat came with the engine appearance package. So of course we have the lights and we have the carbon fiber side pieces. And then look at this. So we have the, obviously it's no longer edge red. It's now Long Beach Red matching engine cover here with a Long Beach Red painted X-brace for frame reinforcement support. Of course, we have our FE4 magnetic select ride, but look at these beautiful Long Beach Red covers that go all the way around it, including the area behind the glass here. I mean, look at this. It wraps around. You still have your window there you can see out of, which is tinted too, by the way. But man, look at that. And you also got this portion up here. So this is definitely a show car. Now, when you see this, you say, well, how am I going to use my trunk? Well, if you're not, see this hole right here? You just stick your finger up in here and you gently work your way around like so, and you just edge it right out. And then, of course, there you go. There's your trunk. And you've got your Jake all-weather floor liner there and your cargo net. And, of course, when you put it back, it's pretty easy to line up. You go back first, line up with the slot here, and then the rest just kind of folds into place. And then, of course, if you want, you can tuck it in the weather stripping or leave it on top of it. It's your preference. It will not pinch. If you go to the car show, I would say you just tuck it in to make it look a little better, but it could stay just like that if you just so desire. And then, of course, we have the slow close engine feature. All right, coming to the interior. So it's a 3LT. So, of course, we got a beautiful Napa leather here, and we have the natural interior. So we've got our natural stitching and accenting. This is not the dipped 3LT. This is the standard natural 3LT. And, of course, the the natural leather stitching throughout the dash. And then we got our center console right there, and you can see we do have the front lift with memory there. And then we got our Napa leather GT2 beautiful bucket seats right there as well. And if you look towards the phone charger there, you can see we've got that Long Beach red accenting that's been added as well. And then, of course, we got the beautiful microfiber suede with stitching up there in the target top. And, of course, lastly, we also got some custom door sills here, and look at these. They got the Carbon Flash with Long Beach red, the Stingrays, and it's this beautiful gloss finish, which goes perfect with the paint. Very, very pretty. All right, so we got more custom. You got another custom cover here. So again, you go to a car show, you would leave this part up. You can see this as well, and of course the covers here. You just go to the sides and lift that out nicely, and then of course we got another all-weather Jake liner in there with our pouches. And just like the other one, this one here, you just rest it in nicely, and you could tuck it in on the stripping if so desired. But if not, you just make sure it's rested nicely up on there, and then 2 clicks to close. This beautiful 2020 coupe has 13,911 miles at check-in. We got it priced at $72,995. So to rehash, Long Beach red, 1-year color, 3LT, Z51, mag ride, front lift, lots of ACS add-ons, PPF protection, and all that dramatic engine bay customization. A lot of extra with this car. And of course, those really nice Callaway wheels. If you're interested in this beautiful Stingray or any other Stingrays or Corvettes in my inventory, please see your info up in the corner, down in the description below. Please leave a comment and hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.